149 new COVID-19 cases in Karnataka. The total numbers now stands at 1,395. 543 people have been discharged, 811 active cases and 40 people have been declared dead due to the deadly virus. Bengaluru sees a rise in COVID-19 cases by 6 on 19th of May on Tuesday. Total number of cases in Bengaluru stands at 246, 114 active cases and 8 deaths reported so far due to the deadly virus. KSRTC resumes operations. Hundreds of people wait at KSRTC bus stand to leave to their native towns. Authorities making sure that people are maintaining strict social distancing norms while boarding the buses. BMTC bus stand wears a deserted look even as people throng the bus stand in huge numbers to buy passes as well. BMTC was supposed to start functioning at 7 a.m. this morning but is yet to resume their services. 4 Shramik Express trains to leave from Chikkabanawara in Bengaluru to North India. 2 trains will ferry 3,000 migrant workers to UP. 1 train will ferry 1,500 migrant workers to Madhya Pradesh and another train will take 1,500 passengers to Uttarakhand. Union Railways Minister Piyush Goyal makes the big announcement, says that 200 non-AC trains will be resuming operation from the 1st of June. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to chair the cabinet meeting at 11 a.m. this morning. Several key issues to be discussed. The cabinet will also be holding discussions on issues related to COVID-19 situation. PM Modi also to discuss about cyclone Amphan and the preparedness of the states in tackling the super cyclone. India's COVID-19 mortality rate is at 0.2 per lakh percent when compared to the world's average of 4.1%, and this is the lowest percentage of mortality which has been reported, with the countries having a population of over 50 crores. 1,01,139 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 58,802 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospitals and 39,174 people have been discharged so far. 3,163 people have died due to the deadly virus in the country, and the death toll is mounting, which is being a challenge for the authorities as well. COVID-19 cases inching closer to 50 lakh mark in the world. Over 3 lakh people have died due to the deadly pandemic. Close to 20 lakh people have recovered.